Hello everyone, in this video we are going to build a small application using Lovable. So this is my prompt for AI weekend planner. So generally now we are going to build a weekend planner which is AI based one. So this is a prompt which I have generated. So here we are telling that designing a comprehensive weekend planner that assists the user in organizing their weekend activities based on specific budget. The planner should include the following features. So it should have the user interface input, it should have budget management, it should have the location tracking, also it should have venue suggestions, then the final will be the final budget confirmation. So these are the criteria that AI weekend planner should have. So just I'll copy this one and I'll paste it in Lovable. Okay, now create on generate. So as you know, Lovable is an AI web application which allows you to create web apps without any coding. Just you need to provide the prompt. That's it. Once you provide the prompt, it will automatically build a web application for you. Okay, so there is no part of coding in this. And also every day you will get 5 credits, free credits, so you can use them and you can build. Once you finish the five credits, then again tomorrow you can make the modifications in that. So if you wanted to purchase it, then you can purchase it also. I think it takes $20 per month, I guess. So it will give you some 100 credits or 200 credits like that. You can check it out. So for beginners you can go with the free plan only. You can try multiple web applications. So once you are confident with your building and all, and you are connecting with your database, then only you can go with a paid plan. Okay, so this is just a front-end application, and this also allows you to connect with backend, which is a super base already given here, right? And also you can push this code to GitHub. So from there you can pick the code also. Okay, for any backend logic you have to use the super base for this Lovable. Right now it is checking all the capabilities what it can do. See, if you see here, I'll create a comprehensive weekend planner. It is telling about to us. You have to read this one. Okay, users organize their activities use the based on budget and preferences. This will be a beautiful interactive app with location tracking, budget management, and personalized suggestions. The app will feature a modern design inspired by travel and lifestyle apps with smooth animations, swipe ingredients, and then intuitive multi-step interface. I'll include, see, it is including all these things: a welcoming onboard preference, interactive budget management, visualization feedback. Okay, it is taking the location based venue suggestions also, and also it is taking the real-time cost tracking and budget confirmation. Also beautiful cards and smooth transitions throughout. So this all will be included in this. It is writing it actually. See, if you see the coding, it is writing the code, and we can see the complete coding level also, which I will show you. So currently backend is creating the coding part. See, edited 5 files, and the saving is completed. The preview will load here. It is telling that I have created a comprehensive weekend planner that covers all your requirements. See, all these things are done. Okay, so as we asked it to track the location, so it is asking to allow our location. So I'll click allow this time. So this is a weekend planner. Plan your perfect weekend adventure within the budget. See, that's giving the 4 steps, which is preference, budget, suggestions, and final plan. Now we have to select these preferences. So let's say, for example, currently it is showing the latitude and longitude. We can change it to location name. Go for a theater or shopping, entertainment. Okay, these 3 things I'll select. In this I'll select mountain area, district shopping, so downtown. These 3 options I'll select, and I'll select couple, or else I'll select just me. How long you wanted to spend? So I wanted to spend around half a day or full day adventure sometimes. Go to continue. So it is asking for the budget. Currently I'll go with comfortable budget, which is $150, right? Find activities within 150. So now it will show what all there within for 150. Okay, you can tick them actually. So it will show here it is showing 0 of 150 selected. So yeah, let's select this one. Now whatever is exceeding, so that one got grayed out. You cannot select these things. Okay, so I'll select this will not work now. I'll select this one. select this, done. So what it has done, so it is now the cost is $137 and we have $13 remaining, so we don't get any of them for $13. So I'll select confirm three venues. So it is the final plan is ready. It's showing $137 is the total cost and the $13 were remaining, and we have selected three venues. The average rating of the venue is 4.2 and the last one is individual. Group type is individual and full day we have taken, and our preferences are these things, and we have selected these venues, right? And here we have a download plan option also, which we did not given in that. So it is given a notepad actually. Yeah, so if you see notepad, you can just copy paste and on your WhatsApp it looks like that. So it is my weekend plan, the budget, total cost, and the remaining group, individual, everything. See, and it is giving the time also, like 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. The distance also it is giving 9 miles. Urban shopping district place, it's 3.7 miles, $29, and the rating also it is giving. Okay, and 9 a.m. we have to visit here, 9 to 10 here, and 10 to 11 here. Again, after that we can take some rest and we can go to the Grand Mountain Area Lounge. It costs $49, 4.7 miles away, and it is rating 3.6 by 5, and from 2 p.m. to 2 a.m. So we have given that complete day planner, right? So that's why it is giving like this premium entertainment experience with state of art facilities is there. Now if you see activities, theater, shopping, entertainment, this is what we have selected, and the areas is this one generated by weekend plan. It's really very beautiful, and we can also share this plan with someone else also. Currently it is not working. You can make it enable, right? Okay, if you see everything is going in dollars, so I'll ask Lovable to change it in India. Okay, so yeah, I'll select this one. Now it will make the changes. See, now if you say I'll update the currency from dollar to Indian rupees and adjust the budget plans to be more suitable for Indian pricing. Currently it is writing the code in the backend. Once the coding is completed, it will automatically refresh so that we can start from beginning again. Oh, I think we forgot to give this step also, which is the current location, but it's okay. So the changes have been done, have successfully updated the weekend planner to use Indian rupees. So now if you see, it is converted to Indian rupees. Dollar to rupee throughout the application ranges $25 to 1,000. It has made to 500 to 25,000. Okay, the venue, pricing, icons, everything has been reformatted. Now we will go again, like go to these things. I'll go something like this. Just me, half a day. I'll select half a day this time. So it is telling budget friendly, comfortable, premium, and luxury. Yeah, I will go with 2,000 comfortable weekend. See, now it is showing the places like. Royal Downtown Place. This is all the sample things. So once you connect this application with your API, then it will give the accurate venues. So now if you see, we can select multiple things. So within our budget is 2,000. Now we have only 74 rupees left, and the total cost is 1926. So we can confirm the selections, and now if you see, it is ready. The total cost, venue, and the average rating, right? And we can also download this plan same like earlier. I'll close this one weekend plan text and I'll override this one. Okay, now if you see, it is giving in the Indian format. Okay, so if you want to access this, just you need to click this one. Okay, this is your app. We can just directly select from here. Okay, it is giving everything, and we can also select our things where we wanted to visit. Okay, so we have got two venues this time. Okay, this is how the final weekend planner look. If you wanted to make any changes in this, then you can always go to Lovable page. You can change it, and this will be automatically saved to your projects. Like if you see, I'll click on the dashboard. See, these are our projects. Okay, so it will be automatically saved. Whenever you wanted to see, you can just open that one and you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 apps I have created. So all the apps were already here, and these are the apps which are created by someone else. You can remix them also, like you can recreate them. You just need to click on this remix and you can do some modifications and you can publish from your end also. Okay, so this is how we can make AI applications with Lovable. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please hit subscribe button. Also like the video. Have a good day.